10 household uses for rubbing alcohol. Permanent marker isn't as permanent as the name suggests. Use rubbing alcohol to remove it from hard surfaces such as countertops, plastic, and a myriad of other places. Just dab it on the spot and wipe clean. This is a great tip to keep in mind when you come across a yard sale find that someone has put their name on. Save some money by making your own ice packs. All you need is rubbing alcohol and water. Bathroom mirrors have a way of collecting a buildup of hairspray and splashes of toothpaste. Just spray the mirror with rubbing alcohol and wipe it clean. It'll take off all the gunk and leave you with a streak-free shine. You can also use rubbing alcohol to remove hairspray from your bathroom sink, floor, hairbrushes, and any other styling tools. Rid faucets and stainless steel sinks of water spots by wiping them down with rubbing alcohol. If you have stainless steel appliances, you can also use it to remove fingerprints and smudges. Scraping frost off your windshield is one of the biggest irritants of winter in a cold climate. Rubbing alcohol can keep the frost away. Just mix 1 part rubbing alcohol together with 8 parts water and apply the solution to your car windows to prevent frost from forming on them. To maintain effectiveness, repeat the process each time you wash your car and after heavy rainstorms. Wipe cell phones, computer keyboards, and other high-use gadgets down with a rag that's been lightly moistened with rubbing alcohol to remove all that build up dirt and grime from the keys and to keep germs to a minimum. Using hand sanitizer is an all-around good idea. You can easily make your own at home with rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel. Just mix 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol with 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel, and voila! If you like, add a few drops of essential oil for a more pleasant fragrance. Tackle that grease buildup on your stove, countertops, and cabinets by wiping them down with a sponge or rag that's been soaked in rubbing alcohol. It's quick, easy, and effective. Freshen the air in your home with an all-natural room spray that you made yourself. Start with rubbing alcohol and add any fragrance you like. Combine rubbing alcohol with water and vinegar, and you'll have a glass cleaner that performs just as well as anything you can buy at the store. Use 1 cup rubbing alcohol, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon vinegar, combine in a spray bottle and you're good to go. Just be careful not to use vinegar products on stone surfaces. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.